Hello everyone, this is Eva speaking here. I'm going to give you a mini lecture on embodied meaning and our writing project on becoming professional foodies, which is also, I believe, to be the ultimate secret of language learning. Let's begin with an interesting anecdote. So I have been to the US for 6 years, actually, almost. I went to the US in 2015. Before that, I was learning English in China. So the first word I've ever learned in the US is cinnamon. It's a kind of spice. And how I managed to learn that word is I went to a restaurant, I ordered something. I could barely read the menu at that time because it's full of vocabulary beyond my comprehension. But I learned something called cinnamon. And then I tasted the food. It was so horrible to the degree that I had to figure out what made it taste so horrible. And it turned out to be cinnamon. So next time when I ordered any kind of food, I always remember to avoid cinnamon. It's a kind of spice, and I just could not stand it. So that's how I learned the word cinnamon. It's not just the word that rings a bell to me. My tongue can remember that. My brain can remember that. My body can remember that uncomfortable feeling when I consume the food with cinnamon. So to me, the word cinnamon is not just a word. It is something that arouses certain kind of feelings. For example, my first dining experience in the US. I remember the long line. People were standing in the queue waiting to take their order. I could remember the fear and anxiety I had when I read the menu, which barely made any sense to me. And I also remember my friends dining with me, and they seemed comfortable, totally comfortable with the restaurant, while I was not. So that's my first encounter with the word cinnamon. And then things changed when I heard something called the Cinnamon Challenge, and it was hilarious. Let me show you the video. Before I show you the video, what is the Cinnamon Challenge? It is a viral internet food challenge. Well, it's viral, that means it's very popular, and a lot of people have done that. And it's a food challenge, that means you eat something. So usually a participant feels themselves eating a spoonful of ground cinnamon. So that's powder. As you can see in the picture, is a cinnamon powder. In under 60 seconds without drinking anything. So you cannot drink water. And with the video being uploaded to the internet as evidence. So you have to show people that you actually have done that. Show people the process, show them how basically you suffered through that process. And here comes the actual challenge video.